Oh hey human, I'm just playing with my kill. What are you? Whoa! Ah, what the fuck do you think you're doing right now? I shall hide in the depths of the darkness.
Drop 'em out, let me see them titties. Gonna take a long look at those tiggle bitties. Areolas looking nice, nipples looking real pretty. Come on, let me get her at your boob.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Poe.
You want water? Yeah? What? Are you thirsty? If only you could turn it on. Wait. Okay, hold on. Get out of the sink. You're very pushy in the mornings. Look at those ears.
Bro, having this bed, all fun and games, until you got two little cats that like to use it like a fucking jungle gym. Come here, show your face. Oh my god. Guilty.
You are being charged with 40 counts of murder, 38 counts of arson, and 22 counts of armed robbery.
Only you.
Oh God! Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
So I wake in the thigh because I'm a bad bitch.
What's up?
So what do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin.
Scream! Scream for the cream!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you.
We gotta make a wish, Chloe. Gotta make a wish. You ready? Chloe! 1, 2, 3. Yay! Happy birthday, kitty!
Yeah, Chloe.
Here, let's see if she'll wear her birthday hat. Don't doubt this.
She knows it's about her.
Look at this, sweetie.
I don't think she wants the sombrero.
Yeah, she's gonna pass on the sombrero.
Mom, can you take a picture?
What we got here? Some tea? Let me get a little bit. Man, come on, man. Let me get a little bit. All right, let me get an ice cube. Let me get an ice cube. Move, man. I just want goddamn ice cube. Come on, man. Look, man. I ain't had nothing to drink. I am thirsty. My mouth is dry. I need some to heal my throat. Man, let me get a little bit. Oh, so that's how you doing? You just gonna take the shit away? Huh? That's how we doing? You ain't gonna give me none. I can't get a funk ass ice cube. Okay, bitch. I'm shit on your bed.
Here we go. It's your birthday. Yeah? Yes.
Aunt Megan made it for you.
Oh my
You
god.
like it?
Good girl.
Yeah? What? They thanked Aunt Megan.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Mama. You like it?
Girl.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday. Wow. Oh my god.
He's gonna be in the video with it.
Hello?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?